Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. So much to talk about. All right, first of all, we're doing a pickle dip. I've seen 4 different people do this dip. Different variations a little bit. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try to see if it's any good. Well, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna find out if it's any good. But first I gotta warn you, okay? Now you guys know I just built my studio. I got a Samsung refrigerator, dishwasher, stove. And right here behind me, I got the microwave. So I gotta warn you guys, the Samsung microwave is famous for going out. Black. Put the time in, hit the start button, and it just goes dead. I'm not the only one. Look, on the internet, it's something that happens, okay? So I'm getting a new microwave. I thought that I'd warn you. In case you are getting a Samsung microwave, don't get it. Go with another brand. Or go with the upper model, the bespoke. But that model, I don't know if it's the door, sensor, popping the breaker. We've looked at everything. So they're pulling it out and giving us a new one. But it just dies on you, okay? It's kind of a gambling game. Hey, you want to use your microwave today? Good luck. All right, guys, let's get into the dip. See if it's any good. Okay, guys. First thing you're going to need is sour cream and cream cheese, some deli ham, green onions, or also known as scallions, and the star of the show, gotta get some pickles. Grab your cream cheese, put that in there, and go ahead and whip that. You can do it with a hand mixer, or you can do it in your professional mixer, whatever you got on hand. So let me see. Getting that in there. Oh, gotta be careful. Once you got it light and creamy, you can go ahead and put your pickles in. About a cup's worth. Put your ham in. About a cup's worth. Everything you're adding is about a cup's worth. All right, got the pickles, the ham, about half the container. There we go. Once again, about a cup's worth. Now this part, you're not gonna mix. You're gonna kind of do it by hand, okay? But really quick, let's add a little more liquid. We're gonna spice it up with some more pickle juice. Not all of it, there we go. And throw in our green onions. I think everything's in now. Now we're gonna give it a good mix. Last thing we're gonna do, grab a pinch of garlic, maybe an extra pinch. Some ground, I use granulated, but you can use garlic salt you want. And then once again, get it mixed in. Now, if you guys have never had a pita chip, they're tasty. They're super, super strong. Normal potato chips probably crack in this and crumble. These are very stiff, crunchy, made out of pitas. I think Stacy's makes these. If you like chips, you'll like the pita chips, okay? All right, let's give this a try now. There it is. It holds up real well. Cream cheese and sour cream gotta be good together. I've had those mixed before. They're really good. So let's give it a try. Okay, now I know why everybody's making it. If you don't like pickles, don't make this. Okay? If you love pickles, add more juice. Otherwise, this is a perfect recipe. Leaves a big flavor in your mouth. Give it a try. Let me know what you'd add to it in the comments below. All right? That was a very big success.